How to subscribe on Twitch. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to subscribe on Twitch. First thing, go to Twitch and then just select anyone you want to subscribe on it, and like this one here, click on it, and not this one, like this one. Click here, subscribe. Where is it? Like here. Yes, click here and then click subscribe. Click on the video and then click subscribe, and then just click here and you need to pay it. And that's how to subscribe on Twitch. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.